What's up, family? Welcome to DDINS Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu.
What's up, family? So for this chicken Philly cheesesteak sandwich, you're going to need a chicken breast, 1 onion, a green bell pepper, mushrooms, provolone cheese, salt and pepper, and you want to season that to taste. If steak is too harsh on your stomach, here's another alternative to your Philly cheesesteak fix. Not only is it delish, it's very easy and it's fun to make as well. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, you guys, is cut thin slices out of our chicken breast. Just like so. And make sure utensils are sharp. You're only as good as your utensils. Alright. You can use whatever oil you like. Off screen, I went ahead and already put extra virgin olive oil into my frying pan. And that's where we're going to place our thin slices of chicken. And we're going to begin to cook it down. Okay. Very simple, very easy. And I know you guys are going to say once you watch this, yes, I was switching between my tongs and my spatula. I don't know why. Don't ask me. Now we're going to go ahead and add some pink Himalayan salt. You can use whatever salt you like, and some black pepper. Remember, season a little at first, then you can add more later. Okay. This is going to be beautiful. And pretty much, you guys, the hard work is over. All we're doing now is just cooking this down. Okay, quick facts. How much proteins does chicken breast have, or does chicken have? Chicken has 20.9 grams of protein. That is about 42% of the recommended daily amount of protein you will need. Pretty cool. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add in our onions, our green bell pepper, and last but not least, our mushrooms, and those are optional. And we're going to cover this up and let this steam down, you guys. Yes. Let that cook some more. And we're going to go ahead and mix this together. Now what you see on the pan, that's nothing but flavor, you guys. Xperience. Okay. We're going to cover this one last time and let this simmer up, or steam some more. I'm sorry. Let it steam some more, and look at that. Beautiful. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to separate this into 2 sandwiches. I am making this for somebody. And you can't miss it. You got to add your provolone cheese. Alright. I lied. We're going to cover it one more time to let that melt down. And voila. You guys did this. Delish. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Yes. Again, this is a very easy and fun dish to make. And if you are a person that have a hard time digesting beef, this is a great alternative for your Philly cheesesteak fix. Now, I can't eat these. I made these for somebody else. However, they are still beautiful, and I know they taste good because I made my own on the side. However, thank you again, you guys, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 DDINS and to our next food adventure. Peace.